Have you ever wondered why you can give two people the exact same AI tool and one gets a masterpiece while the other gets nonsense? Think of AI as the most well-stocked kitchen on Earth. It has access to nearly every video, document, and article ever created. But there is a catch. That robotic assistant standing by the stove has absolutely zero common sense about what you actually want for dinner. Most of us walk into this kitchen, hand the assistant a tiny, vague sticky note, and expect a five-star meal. When it hands us back a plate of generic mush, we blame the tool. To see why that happens, we need to look at what's actually going on under the hood. AI isn't magic. It's essentially a giant math equation playing a game of pattern recognition. It works by breaking text into little blocks of data called tokens. Then it looks at the blocks you gave it and predicts the next logical piece. If you say twinkle, twinkle, little, it predicts star. Because it relies entirely on those predictive patterns, the quality of its output depends on the information you provide. Feeding it detailed information allows it to build context, which helps it make much better predictions about what you need. Your AI is a highly capable, very literal assistant. If you want a masterpiece instead of mush, you have to stop expecting it to read your mind and start handing it a precise recipe. Writing that recipe involves a specific framework built on 4 distinct ingredients. Ingredient 1 is the role. If you tell the system to act like a world-class marketing strategist, it filters out the noise. Instead of pulling from every random fact on the internet, it isolates the data points relevant to that specific profession. Ingredient 2 is context. This is where you provide background documents, meeting transcripts, or specific project details. This creates a boundary that keeps the AI focused on your exact scenario. Ingredient 3 is the command. You must be highly explicit. Use direct language to tell the AI exactly what to do next. Ingredient 4 is the format. Tell the system if you want the answer in a grid or a list or even a printable file. If you don't define the final shape, it has to guess. When you combine those 4 ingredients, you realize the golden rule of this technology. The quality of the output will never exceed the structure of the input you provide. Even with a good framework, most people still use AI the hard way. They do 80% of the mental work themselves and let the machine finish the last 20%. This is push prompting. It's like giving a friend turn-by-turn directions to your house. You're micromanaging every step, which is exhausting. A faster way is pull prompting. Instead of providing every step, you define the final outcome and let the AI find the best way to get there. You do this by telling the AI your goal and then adding one phrase. Ask me all the questions you need in order to complete this objective perfectly. This transforms the AI into an active collaborator. It extracts the necessary details from your brain, ensuring it has everything it needs to do the heavy lifting for you. Of course, explaining your business or life context every time you open a chat is tedious. This is where you use a master prompt. It's a comprehensive manual containing your preferences, your business structure, and your specific goals in one place. Providing this document at the start of a session anchors the system to your world. It uses that information to ensure every future answer is tailored to your specific situation. If an AI sounds generic, it's usually because you haven't introduced yourself yet. A master prompt turns a stranger into an assistant that actually knows you. As these tools get faster and smarter, it's natural to wonder if the human directing the machine will eventually become obsolete. While machines are incredible at optimizing what already exists, they fundamentally lack 3 human traits: taste, vision, and care. You have the taste to recognize world-class excellence. You have the vision to imagine concepts that don't exist yet. A machine can only process what has already happened. And you have the capacity for care, the ability to form heartfelt, empathetic connections with your clients, your family, and your team. The best way to stay ahead is to start building your skills today. Pick one tool and automate just one daily task. Letting the system handle the repetitive prep work allows you to spend your energy being the creator you were meant to be.